You just got your WC Sweats for your AirPods Max. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to install them in a way that won't interfere with the sensors and make your headphone fully functional with the covers on. Let's start the video. Okay, so it's going to be very simple. These are WC SweatZ MAX earpad covers. I'm going to show you how to install them, and also I'm going to talk about the differences between our covers and other covers on the market. So one important thing you want to know, two important things actually. They are unique to the left and right. Why are they unique to the left and right? Because of the cutout that you have here. I'll try to get a good angle for you to see. This cutout right here. This cutout is meant to fit to the sensor that's inside the headphone cup. There is a sensor on each side of the headphone cup. That's the thing that pauses and stops the audio when you remove the headphones from your head. If you're not going to align the cutout to the sensor, it will interfere with the sensor. So this is one thing you should know. And you also have, it's kind of hard to tell on the black color, but you have the same L and R symbols on the bottom of the cover. So the way we're going to install it, we're going to align the cutout. First of all, we're going to fold it like this, fold it up, and then we're going to align the cutout, put the cover inside, and simply go like this. We're going to fold it to the other side again. I'm going to put it inside the headset. I'm going to make sure that the cutout is matching with the sensor and fold it to the other side. And if you have any indentations, you simply stretch them out like this and it should be done. That's it. That's how you install these covers. Now let me talk about some of the differences between these covers and other covers. So other covers on the market do not have the protection for the inside of the earpad. That basically this part. They only cover the outside of the earpad. And the whole thing about protecting these from sweat is mainly because of the smell and the bacteria that gathers while you sweat into these earpads when you work out. So when you only cover the outside area and you don't cover the inside area, what are you really doing? It eventually will cause you to have to replace the earpads. With this, you get to cover both the inside of the earpad, have full protection, and have full functionality because the sensor still works. Another difference between our covers and other covers are the cool designs that we come out with, the 90s black, the geo gray, and a bunch of other covers that we're gonna come out and colors that are gonna come out with. If you wanna give these a try, you have a link at the top right corner right now or in the description below. Try them out and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.